Are you tired of that persistent ache in your back or the strain in your neck and shoulders? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, poor posture has become a common culprit behind these discomforts. The good news is that you can take control of your posture and prevent back pain. Welcome to T's Health and Fitness Lounge, your trusted source for health and fitness advice. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of posture, what it is, why it matters, and most importantly, how you can improve it. Whether you spend hours at a desk, or always on the move, or simply want to stand taller and feel better, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge and tools you need to make positive changes in your daily life and wave goodbye to back pain. So, let's straighten up, shall we? Understanding posture. At its core, posture is a dynamic interplay between your body's structure and function. It's the way your bones, muscles, ligaments, and tendons work together to maintain balance and alignment. Picture your spine as the central pillar of this intricate system, supported by a network of muscles that function like guide wires. Good posture is akin to a finely tuned orchestra, with each instrument, muscle group, playing its part harmoniously. When you have good posture, your spine naturally maintains its three natural curves: the inward curve at the neck, cervical lordosis; the outward curve in the upper back, thoracic kyphosis; and the inward curve in the lower back, lumbar lordosis. These curves help to absorb shock, evenly distribute the weight of your body, and maintain stability. Poor posture, on the other hand, disrupts this delicate symphony. It often involves slouching, rounding of the shoulders, and a forward head position. These misalignments can place excessive stress on certain muscles and ligaments while allowing others to weaken. Over time, this imbalance can lead to chronic discomfort and, eventually, pain. For instance, a common posture issue is the forward head position, often brought about by hours of hunching over screens or desks. This posture places extra strain on the neck and upper back muscles, resulting in neck pain, headaches, and even changes in the curvature of the spine. The importance of good posture. Good posture is the cornerstone of a healthy, pain-free life. Imagine it as the foundation upon which your physical well-being is built. When your body is aligned correctly, it functions optimally, and the benefits are far-reaching. Firstly, proper alignment means that your body's weight is evenly distributed. This distributes the load more effectively across your muscles, ligaments, and joints. Think of it as a suspension bridge that evenly distributes the weight of passing traffic. In this scenario, your muscles don't have to work as hard to support your body, reducing fatigue and strain. Moreover, good posture has profound physiological effects. It allows your internal organs to function unimpeded. For instance, when you slouch, you compress your abdominal cavity, potentially hindering digestion and affecting the efficiency of vital processes. Conversely, maintaining an upright posture aids digestion, supports optimal blood circulation, and allows your lungs to expand fully for better oxygen intake. Beyond the physical advantages, good posture exerts a remarkable influence on your mental and emotional state. Studies have shown that standing or sitting with an erect posture can boost your mood, increase energy levels, and enhance self-confidence. It's as if good posture not only elevates your physical stature but also your psychological well-being. Conversely, poor posture can be a silent saboteur. Hours of hunching over screens or slumping in chairs can lead to chronic back pain, as it places excessive strain on certain muscle groups while allowing others to weaken. Additionally, it can affect your body language, making you appear less confident and approachable to others. In essence, good posture is a holistic practice that nurtures both physical and mental health. It's not just about how you look, it's about how you feel and function. Causes of poor posture. Understanding the factors that contribute to poor posture is essential for taking proactive steps to address this pervasive issue. Modern lifestyles often encourage habits that can lead to posture problems. One of the primary culprits is prolonged sitting. Whether it's at a desk, in front of a computer, or during long commutes, extended periods of sitting encourage slouching and a forward head position, which can weaken the muscles responsible for maintaining good posture. Moreover, the prevalence of smartphones and other handheld devices has introduced a new challenge: text neck. Constantly looking down at screens can strain the neck and upper back, leading to misalignment. Ergonomics also play a significant role in posture. Ill-fitting chairs, desks, and workstations can force your body into unnatural positions, contributing to poor posture over time. Likewise, improper lifting techniques can place unnecessary stress on your back and lead to injury. Muscular imbalances are another key contributor. Certain muscle groups may become overdeveloped due to repetitive activities, while others weaken from lack of use. Stress and emotional factors can also impact posture. Tension and anxiety often manifest physically, causing you to hunch your shoulders or clench your jaw, further exacerbating poor posture. Lastly, genetics can play a role. Some individuals may be predisposed to certain postural issues due to their bone structure. Recognizing these various causes of poor posture is the first step in addressing and preventing them. Now, before we dive deeper into these causes and explore effective strategies to combat poor posture, I'd like to invite you to support our channel. If you find this information valuable and want to stay updated with our upcoming health and fitness content, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll be joining our community of viewers committed to improving their well-being. Thank you for your support, and let's continue our journey toward better posture together. Tips to improve posture. Cultivating good posture is a holistic practice that can significantly enhance your overall health and well-being. Let's explore a range of practical strategies to help you achieve and maintain optimal alignment. First and foremost, it's vital to heighten your awareness of how you carry yourself throughout the day. Pay attention to your posture during daily activities, whether you're sitting at a desk, standing in line, or even walking. Mindfulness forms the cornerstone of posture improvement, as acknowledging poor habits is the first step toward correcting them. Strengthening your core muscles is the next crucial step. A strong core provides essential support to your spine, helping you maintain an upright posture effortlessly. Incorporate exercises like planks, bridges, and yoga poses that engage your abdominal, back, and side muscles. Regular stretching is equally vital, as it counters muscle tightness, a common contributor to poor posture. Focusing on muscles prone to tightening due to extended periods of sitting or hunching, such as hip flexors, pectoral muscles, and neck muscles, can yield substantial benefits. Ensuring an ergonomic workspace is paramount for those with desk jobs. Adjust your chair, computer monitor, and keyboard to encourage a neutral spine position. Lumbar support cushions can be instrumental in maintaining the natural curve of your lower back. For individuals who find it challenging to maintain proper posture independently, posture-correcting devices or braces can offer gentle reminders to align correctly. Regular breaks and movement are essential, especially if your routine involves prolonged sitting. Stand up, stretch, and move around every hour to combat muscle stiffness and fatigue associated with extended periods of inactivity. Whether you're sitting or standing, be mindful of your positioning. When sitting, keep your feet flat on the ground, your knees at a 90-degree angle, and your lower back supported by the chair. When standing, distribute your weight evenly between both feet, engage your core, and relax your shoulders. When it comes to lifting objects, always employ proper techniques to protect your back. Bend at your knees, not your back, when lifting heavy items, and keep the load close to your body to minimize strain. Mirror checks provide visual feedback on your posture, helping you identify and correct alignment issues promptly. Lastly, if you're grappling with chronic pain or severe posture problems, seeking professional guidance from a physical therapist or chiropractor can be transformative. They can design personalized exercises and treatments tailored to your unique needs, setting you on the path to improved posture and a healthier, pain-free life. In closing, it's evident that good posture is not just about how you look, it's about how you feel and how your body functions. By understanding the importance of posture, recognizing its common pitfalls, and implementing the practical tips we've discussed, you can make significant strides toward improved alignment, reduced discomfort, and enhanced overall well-being. Now, if you found this information valuable and you're committed to making positive changes in your life, I invite you to take action. Please click the link in the video description below to access additional resources, exercises, and more in-depth guidance on posture improvement. Additionally, if you haven't already, I encourage you to show your support for our channel by liking this video and subscribing. By becoming a part of our community, you'll stay updated with our latest health and fitness content, ensuring you're well equipped to embark on your journey towards better posture and a healthier, pain-free lifestyle. Thank you for joining us on this important endeavor, and together, let's stand tall and strive for well-being.